Amsterdam, the capital of the Netherlands, is a city renowned for its charming canals, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene. Famous for its picturesque waterways lined with historic buildings, the city offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modernity. The Canal Ring, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of Amsterdam's most iconic features, with its 17th-century houses, narrow streets, and numerous bridges, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Amsterdam is also a hub for art and history, with world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum, Van Gogh Museum, and Anne Frank House, which draw millions of visitors each year. The city's liberal attitude and progressive values are reflected in its thriving café culture, diverse neighborhoods, and welcoming environment. Bicycles are the primary mode of transport, with locals cycling through the streets with ease and efficiency. Whether exploring the trendy Jordaan district, visiting the lively Albert Cuyp Market, or taking a leisurely boat ride along the canals, Amsterdam offers a dynamic and inclusive experience. Its mix of historical landmarks, cultural institutions, and modern innovations makes it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world.